Hi, this is Sion. Welcome to Sion's Galaxy. Today I will teach you how to make paper flower and paper vase. First we need tricolor paper. Take the size in screen. Now you see, tricolor papers are in different sizes. Now fold the paper. Cut like shown on the screen. Now paste all papers together. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now roll the paper starting from the small. Now our flower is almost ready. Now we are making leaf for flower. Please subscribe and support me. Roll the paper in the stick. Now paste the flower. Now flower bouquet is ready. Now we are making paper vase. Make the paper rolls, 40 number. Paste in craft paper. Cut like shown on screen. You can decorate with any fancy item. Now put the flowers in vase. Paper flowers and vase ready. It's pretty. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.